Good morning, friends. Welcome to ABC Real by Bhanu channel. Today, I Anshu Kaur of class 5th. I am here to discuss chapter 1 organ systems of our body with you all. That is chapter of subject EVS class 5th. This is beneficial for Army Public School students. In this video, we will discuss first fill in the blanks of the given chapter. Second, true and false of this chapter. And third, question and answer of the chapter. The question and answer are divided into two parts, short question answer and long question answers. So first we will discuss short question answers and then we will discuss long question answers of this chapter. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आप में से कोई भी न्यू व्यूवर है जो पहली बार इस चैनल पर आए हैं वो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर लें जिससे हमारे आने वाले सभी वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। ये वीडियो आपको कैसा लगेगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं। तो चलिए फ्रेंड्स, बिना कुछ देरी किए सेशन की शुरुआत करते हैं। As you know that first we will discuss fill in the blanks of the given chapter. Let's start with question number 1. Question number 1. An organ system that throws away carbon dioxide from the body is. Answer of the question is respiratory system. Respiratory system throws away carbon dioxide from the body. Next question. The process of digestion begins from. Answer of the question is mouth. The process of digestion begins from mouth. Next question. How many kidneys do we have? Answer of the question is 2. We have 2 kidneys. Next question. Taste buds are present on. Answer of the question is tongue. Taste buds are present on our tongues. Next and last question of fill in the blanks is the teeth that help us to tear are. Answer of the question is canines. The teeth that help us to tear and chew our food are called canines. Second, we will discuss true and false of this lesson. Let's start with question number 1. The water and salt are absorbed in small intestine. Answer of the question is false because the water and salt are absorbed in blood in the stomach. Next question. Adult human being has 28 teeth. Answer of the question is false. An adult human being has 32 teeth. Next question. Lungs purify blood. Answer of this question is true. Lungs help in purification of blood. Next question. Veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from all body parts to heart. Answer of this question is true because veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all the body parts back to the heart. Next and last question of true and false is spinal cord control all the activities. Answer of this question is true. Because spinal cord, that is a part of our body present in our back, control all the activities that our body do. Third, we will discuss question and answer of the lesson. First, we will discuss short question answers and then we will discuss long question answer of this lesson. Let us begin with short question answers of this lesson. Let's start with question number 1. Name the organs involved in respiration. In this question, we have to name some organs which are used in respiratory system. Answer of this question is nose, windpipe and lungs are used in respiratory system. Next question. What are the various organ systems in our body? In this question, we have to name 5 organ systems of our body that are, answer of this question, digestive system, respiratory system, circulatory system, urinary system, and the last one is nervous system. Question number 3. Difference between food pipe and windpipe. In this question, we have to tell what is the difference between food pipe and windpipe. As by their names, we are knowing that food pipe is related to food and windpipe is related to wind. So let's see the answer. Food pipe, a tube that connects mouth to stomach, is called food pipe. And windpipe is a tube that connects nose to lungs. The food pipe is from which food passes from mouth to stomach. It is used in digestive system and used for digestion of food. And the windpipe is from which the wind passes from nose to lungs. Lungs filter the wind. This process is called respiratory system and windpipe help in respiratory system. Next and last question of short question answers is what are circulatory system? Answer of this question is we have to tell what is the definition of circulatory system. Let's see the answer. Organ system that help in circulation of blood in the body. Fourth, we will discuss long question answer of this lesson. Let's start with question number 1. Explain the digestive system with the help of a diagram. Answer of this question is the well-chewed food is swallowed, which reaches stomach through food pipe. The stomach secretes digestive juices mixed with food and help for break it. From the stomach, the food passes from small intestine where the nutrients present in the food are absorbed in the blood. It's then carried to different part of our body. The undigested food moves to large intestine, thrown out of the body through the anus. Next question of long question answer is, what do blood vessels do? Difference between arteries and veins. In this question, we have to tell what is the work of blood vessels that are connected with our heart. The names are arteries and veins. And we have to tell what is the difference between arteries and veins. Write your answer in the comment box as soon as possible. Answer of this question is, blood vessels help to transportation of substances to and from various parts of body. Their names are arteries and veins. What is the definition of arteries? Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from heart to all parts of the body. And what is the definition of veins? Veins carry carbon dioxide rich blood from all body to the heart. Next question. Are organ systems dependent on each other? Explain how. Answer of this question will be, we have to tell our organ systems depend on each other. If yes, explain how. So the answer of this question is, yes, the organ systems are interconnected and dependent upon one another. True friction, our heart doesn't beat unless our brain and nervous system release on nutrients it gains from your digestive system to build strong health bonds. Next question. This is the last question of today's class. How do kidneys filter the blood? What will be the answer? Please write in comment box. Answer of this question is, the blood brings waste to kidneys. It removes waste from it and throw out of the body through urethra in the form of urine. And by the process of urinary system. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके बताइए. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel. For latest update, press bell icon. फ्रेंड्स, आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा हमें कमेंट करके ज़रूर बताएं. और आपको जिस भी सब्जेक्ट की सीरीज चाहिए क्लास 5th 6th से लेकर, हम आपको अपलोड कर देंगे यूट्यूब के ऊपर, फिर वहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं।